मैं ऑलवेज टॉकिंग टू द पीपल कि मैं इस देश से डीजल और पेट्रोल को हद्दपार करना चाहता हूँ, खत्म करना चाहता हूँ। पहले पहले लोग हंसते थे, पर अब लोगों को विश्वास हो गया है। जितना जितना अल्टरनेटिव फ्यूल है उसका यूज करो। यू मेक द बिटुमेन, वॉट एवर यू विल मेक इट, आई विल टेक परचेस इट फॉर द रोड कंस्ट्रक्शन, बिकॉज इट इज बायो बिटुमेन. Already we have a lot of import. Out of 50 lakh ton of bitumen we have in India, and 30 lakh of ton of bitumen we are importing. It's so beautiful, so comfortable, and that is the future. I just suggesting Ashok ji that you can make luxury buses of electric. It can start from Delhi to Chandigarh, Delhi to Simla, Delhi to Jaipur, and now I am making green highway. To start double-decker bus in Mumbai, electric bus. I am really happy and giving my special thanks and best wishes to Ashok ji and his team for taking this venture successfully and starting this new electric bus in Mumbai. We have import of 15 lakh crore of petroleum products and gas and petroleum products. It is not only economic challenge, but 35% of the pollution in the country is because of diesel and petrol. And this is the time for ecology and environment. We need to have most priority for pollution-free country. And that is the reason that import substitute cost-effective, pollution-free and indigenous. Now in Indian situation, import of crude oil is a big challenge because you are already experiencing that the way in which the rates are increased. It is also very difficult for the common man. And electric is an indigenous fuel. I am really happy from 2004, I was working on a mission that is diversification of agriculture towards energy and power sector. And actually today, it is well recognized and the people are now ready to accept it. The most important thing for India is the knowledge is a power. And regarding automobile industry, the size of automobile industry is 7.5 lakh crores. And this is the important industry for the country which is giving maximum employment potential. At the same time, this is the industry which is giving maximum taxes to the state and central government through GST. So my dream is to make this industry of 15 lakh crore within up to end of 2024. And this can be possible because all reputed brands in the world, all are present in India. And now our export is increased. I am telling you the example when I was shipping minister, every time I was coming to BPT, every time there was thousands of buses were standing there for export. So we have got the potential because the engineering manpower is available in India. The technology is available in India. And that is the reason that we can be very, very competitive. And today also our government has taken a very, very important decision for scrapping policy, by which scrapping the car, we can reduce the cost of production cost of the vehicle. And now we are making the draft of 3 important major port up to 18 meter. So we can take all scrappage material from the world to India and we can convert it. Now just I am giving the example, before some days some people approaching me that asking me the permission for the used tire, West tire, import of West tire. I was asking what is the reason why you are importing it. They was telling me that we can make the powder from it and that can be used adding for rubberized bitumen. So immediately I contacted the environment minister and tell him give me an opportunity to start it. Now we are importing. Now the two philosophy, one is knowledge to wealth and other is West to wealth. And I am confident that this is the way in which our automobile industry is now developing, and that is the reason that I am confident that within 5 years we will be #1 manufacturer hub in the world. We have got the all potential is available. And now because of the government policy also, just we have a tender for 5,000 buses from our power ministry. We are also in coordination with them. And we received the rate. And the rate was 39 rupees per kilometer for non-AC bus and 41 rupees something is for air-conditioned bus. As compared with diesel, the cost of the electric is very cheap. In Delhi, I have got hydrogen car. It's so beautiful, so comfortable, and that is the future. And particularly for ethanol, it's a fuel from the farmer. We are sugar surplus, corn surplus, rice surplus, And now in one plant, it's really a good thing and amazing thing and proud of thing for the India that the Indian Oil has started the plant in Panipat. That is from rice straw, Parali, converted into 1 lakh liter of ethanol per day, that is second generation ethanol, and 150 ton of bio-bitumen per day. I just requesting Mr. Vaidya, chairman of India, you make the bitumen, whatever you will make it, I will purchase it for the road construction, because it is bio-bitumen. Already we have a lot of import. Out of 50 lakh ton of bitumen we have in India, and 30 lakh of ton of bitumen we are importing. So this is the time that import substitute cost effective, pollution free and indigenous. And electric is the fuel because it is available. Because of the solar power, the electric power is coming to 2 rupees 30 paisa and 40 paisa per unit. So traveling with the electric car, it can be a really very, very cheaper as compared with the diesel car. I just suggesting Ashok ji that you can make luxury buses of electric. It can start from Delhi to Chandigarh, Delhi to Simla, Delhi to Jaipur, and now I am making green highway. And my plan is to make it from Delhi to Dehradun in 2 hours, Delhi to Haridwar in 2 hours, Delhi to Jaipur 2 hours, Delhi to Chandigarh 2.5 hours, Delhi to Amritsar 4 hours, Delhi to Katra 6 hours, and Delhi to Srinagar 8 hours, and Delhi to Mumbai in 12 hours. So my suggestion is, if your luxury bus start from Delhi to Mumbai up to Nariman Point, because I want to connect it up to Nariman Point. Already the proposal is pending with the government of Maharashtra. We have 70% of work is completed of Delhi-Mumbai highway. And now from Vasai Virar, this Worli-Bandra ceiling project, because it actually I got opportunity to construct that Worli-Bandra ceiling project and 55 flyovers once upon a time when I was minister in Mumbai for Mumbai-Pune highway. So my dream is to connect Nariman Point to Delhi, and it is no problem, like we can do it. So at that time, if your electric bus will be there, it will be really a pleasant trip for all the people, and they can enjoy. मैं ऑलवेज टॉकिंग टू द पीपल कि मैं इस देश से डीजल और पेट्रोल को हद्दपार करना चाहता हूँ, खत्म करना चाहता हूँ. पहले पहले लोग हंसते थे, पर अब लोगों को विश्वास हो गया है. जितना जितना अल्टरनेटिव फ्यूल है उसका यूज करो. Now the electric truck is also ready, electric tractor is ready. The huge opportunity is there. The research is very important. Sometime it will take some time, obviously, because it is very difficult. But the way in which, particularly the switch company, which you are subsidy, they are doing excellent research. And I am confident due course of time, not only double-decker bus, not only you will be electric truck, electric car, everything on electric, it's not a big problem. Now the technology is available. And even in the battery chemistry also, there is a lot of development. I feel that once upon a time when I was elaborating to Gopiji at the time in London, that you started this double-decker electric bus in Mumbai. You really fulfill that promise. Personally, I am giving my special thanks to you and your family for this achievement. And once again, this is the future. And this futuristic technology is 100% going to give you not only a success story, but equally wealth for you.